In this video, I demonstrate how to mix a wide range of beautiful colors using ultramarine blue, including natural greens, soft sky blues, rich blacks, and a glowing transparent purple. Whether you're painting animals, landscapes, or abstract backgrounds, mastering color mixing will bring more harmony and depth to your artwork. And today I'm going to demonstrate a simple, limited palette approach that helps you create more cohesive and professional paintings. So first up is yellow ochre. Mixing ultramarine blue and yellow ochre creates beautiful, soft, earthy greens. These are perfect for natural landscapes and subtle backgrounds. And to achieve a more vibrant and lively green, simply add a brighter yellow like cadmium yellow, and this will definitely raise the color value and add a little bit of punch to the yellow color. Now you can also combine the yellow ochre with the cadmium yellow and make a color in between. This creates a green that is more earthy but also more vibrant. And you'll notice that ultramarine blue does tend to lean to the warm side, so your greens feel more natural and less artificial. And this color mixing applies to oil paint as well as acrylic. Now let's create a beautiful sky blue. Mixing ultramarine blue and titanium white creates an instant sky color. But here's the magic. If you add more white, you get a soft, atmospheric sky. And then adding a little bit of yellow, cadmium yellow here, you can see how the sky instantly grays down. Now you could also choose to add a little bit of burnt sienna and achieve a similar effect. Another mixing technique that many landscape artists use is adding a touch of phthalo blue to your ultramarine blue paint mixture. This really brightens up the color and is beautiful in a landscape painting and is a great way to brighten up the color of the sky. And now for something really beautiful, a glowing transparent purple, very similar to dioxazine purple. And today I'm using Alizarin crimson, but you can also substitute this with quinacridone rose or magenta. And you can adjust the hue by adding more of the Alizarin crimson or more of the ultramarine blue. The combination of ultramarine blue and alizarin crimson creates a luminous, transparent violet, adding light to your painting and perfect for glazing. And with ultramarine blue, you don't need black on your palette. Simply mix it with burnt sienna or burnt umber and create a beautiful luminous black. Add more ultramarine blue and have a cooler black. Add more of the burnt sienna and have a warmer black. And adding titanium white, you can create a beautiful range of grays. And ultramarine blue and burnt sienna do create a beautiful burnt umber. And just look at how many colors we created. Sky blues, earthy greens, beautiful purples, and black. Having ultramarine blue and a limited color palette creates color harmony automatically.